It's a beautiful day in Michigan. Hi, it's a perfect day for a Michigan walk, and I forgot my glasses today. So it's either sunglasses or no glasses. Come on along. Let's go see what we can find, some pretty sights.
That is weird.
Well, like, that's not highly suspicious. It's huge. I just got these really nice new hiking shoes from Columbia. We're gonna try these out on this trail. And fall is hitting good here in Michigan. So pretty, so pretty. It's always so nice. So I've got quite a bit of woods here I can go hiking in. There's a lot of deer tracks I see. Lots of wildlife up here, so we'll probably see some deer. I thought I just heard. Oh gosh, what did I just hear? I heard something in the woods. So these trails kind of go all different ways, and I don't know, I kind of get lost sometimes back here. I love the moss that grows up, so pretty. So far, these Columbia hiking shoes are doing really good. Now, the light color was on sale, so I got that one, but hopefully I won't get dirty. I know that's weird, right? Why is there a Tidy Cats box way out here? What? Well, that's certainly odd. That's really weird. Oddly, every time I go hiking out here, I hear a girl scream. It's so strange, but there's nobody out here. There's nobody out here. Okay, we got some different forks in the road, so I'm gonna go on the outside. There's an abandoned trailer over here. That's an oldie, probably what, 50s? That is cool. Look at all these nice pine trees coming up. Little saplings everywhere. It's so pretty. I really like these hiking shoes. They do really, really good. They've got a nice grippy bottom and a really grip in the ground, really nice. And we have more deer tracks. I think it is bow and arrow season. So I got my cute little orange headband on. Does that count? I don't know. Didn't really think of it when I came up here. But you do want to make sure that if you're going on some trails, that if it is hunting season, you wear proper orange. It'd be smart. Not that I look like a deer. Maybe a big bear, but not a deer. With a cute little headband on. Look at the leaves turning colors. So nice. I love Michigan this time of year. It's beautiful. Well, isn't that highly suspicious? What in the world? That is weird.
That is weird.
Oh my goodness, what is this? Is that what I think it is? I think we should just keep on walking. Let's just keep on going. I see nothing. Oh, I love this moss. Look at how pretty this is. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this big tree. Not pretty. I wonder how old this tree is. Look at this. It's huge. It's huge. Look at this big tree. Not pretty. I wonder how old this tree is. Look at this. So these trails go back for acres and acres. They kind of go all over, but I've been back in these trails before and I kind of got lost. So I don't want to do it alone. I do hear a lot of dogs running around, so I think we'll just keep heading this way. Like, that's not highly suspicious. Of course I had to poke it and see what's in there. Yeah. Ew. I'm taking a break from hiking and I found an outhouse in the middle of nowhere. Let's go check it out. Why not? Oh my goodness. I'm in the middle of the woods and I just found an outhouse. Look at that. And it's got a ray of sunshine glimmering down. Perfect. It's even got a little hook that you can hang your jacket on. Let's see what's inside. Do I dare? Oh gosh, look at that spider on the toilet paper. Oh, no way am I going in there. No way. No way, Jose. Ain't gonna happen. Hell no. Hell to the no. Hell to the no. Somebody This is a scare. Oh my God. No. I'm gonna put my head in here and look at that spider. It's as big as my hand. Oh my gosh, it's full of spiders. Oh, they're everywhere. They are everywhere. Oh my word, I'm crawling and I haven't even walked in. I'm out of here. Look at this big old tree with this huge hole. Look at that. Wonder what's in there. No, nothing. Interesting. Okay, I was told to take a photo because this tree stand right here is on private property and that's not supposed to be there. So I sent it to the owner and he's going to take that down. But there's no hunting here and this is definitely private property up here. Now there is a lot of state land too that you can go to, but this piece is not state land. And then this way is all a sanctuary, which is absolutely no hunting either. It's just a nice peaceful place to go and, you know, tramp around, but no hunting. You know, walking is also not only good for exercise, but I think mentally it helps too. If you're ever down, just get out and exercise. It boosts your mood. I've always been a great believer of exercise. I love hiking around. Doesn't really matter where it is, I just love hiking. Especially in the quiet woods. And Michigan is probably my favorite place to hike because it's not too warm. It's nice and cool here. It's about 65 degrees or so. Look at these big mushrooms. Aren't they pretty? You know, nature is definitely so beautiful. Look at that big mushroom. They're huge. Just growing on a pile. So pretty. Well, there's the trailhead, everybody. I hope you had a nice little time watching my adventure, and make sure to get out yourself and enjoy the fall wherever you are at. Have a great day, everybody. Bye. Bye, precious people.